hug me. I'm going to scream if that happens.
Okay. You ready? Helm가요?
Huh?
helm가요? 자주와. 자주와 봐.
Oh. No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop.
You said my name. I just forgot. I did.
Oh my god. Don't say
자주와 봐, bitch. Look at me, damn it!
I'm gonna pee my pants.
That sounds good.
No.
Okay, here
Where's
we
the
go.
cat? Alright.
Okay, have a
Okay.
Oh shit.
Felt that. I'm gonna look at this so
Fuck.
far.
No, I gotta surprise you! Come
You're
here!
making me look dumb.
Oh
Yeah.
fuck me in the ass!
You just see yourself. Why do you laugh?
Alright, come here.
I thought you were gonna say fuck me in the eyeball.
Alright, come here.
Okay, I got it. It's gone. Alright.
No, you look at me! Okay, come here, I fall off my pillow. You come closer. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yes! Yes! Oh, there! We don't want that.
You don't want that hiccuping? Stop.
Oh, you're so sexy! Oh, dear Lord! Okay.
Alright.
What this?
Stop making sense. Oh my god. Sounds like we're going to the future.
Oh, fuck. Shit me in the ass. Shit me.
Ew, I just got disturbing myself.
Oh, shit.
Of someone like bending over and someone else shitting into their ass.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's not pretty. Holy crap, Ariel and Paul. No, I'm just joking. I love them. I love Peter Dole, Director Bill. He's so skinny too. Did you notice that? What'd you do? I think
Fix your eyeball.
yeah, I like ugly.
Okay, there we go. I fixed it.
What the crap are you doing?
Shut your mouth. Come here! No!
God!
Just touch me! Shut up. Come here. Come here. I want
You
to.
just see something like
I want to consummate you. Come here.
Got what?
Consummate you.
No.
Blessings to you. For free.
For free. Crap, it feels like you're going all over my eye. What'd you do?
Nothing.
Let me.
No, it looks really, really good. I swear to
I'm
God.
scared.
I swear to God.
You laugh? Do you laugh?
Nope, I don't know. I'm sorry.
It feels like you're going really far out.
I'm not.
Are you laughing?
Alright, come here. Come here now. Fine.
Alright. What you doing?
Alright.
I'll be right back. I just gotta go see it. I just gotta go see it.
No, wait a minute. I won't make you wait.
I just need
Now
a
watch
$3
you just
burrito
like
and I can
random
poop.
with the screen
Read
read
it.
it.
I watched a thing. This guy, he's like talking about annoying preppy kids. And the only way to get away from them is like, oh, I forgot my binder in my locker. No. I'm gonna be late for homeroom. Sorry, gotta go. No. I just ate a $3 burrito.
Boodly.
I just ate a $3 burrito and now I have to poop. He's like, yes. It's funny. What are you doing?
Stop moving.
It feels like you're just drawing and having a ball. Okay. Seriously, what are you doing?
There we go.
Dude, you're going up my. What are you doing? You're making a total fool out of me. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
No! Wait!
I gotta get. You're hurting me.
I need to shave.
I just said that. Why are you doing purple? Why gotta do purple? Why not green? What's wrong with green? Shit, it's gonna rip him. It's gonna look like light coming out.
Okay,
Because it's moving so fast, it's gonna look like lightning. Brown lightning.
That's funny.
I am fun. Alright, let go see it. Brown lightning coming at you. Shush, girl.
Wait.
Shut your lips.
No, shut your legs. And squeeze your butt cheeks together.
Oh, you're right. I should keep this shut. Oh, it smells like old fish. Ah.
How could you make fun of yourself like that?
I can laugh at myself. I believe it's a good cool to hell. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Fucking up.
Are you serious? Let me go look in the mirror.
I know, it's gonna look good. Just wait.
I'm scared who's that. You gotta let me do your makeup.
Okay.
Alright.
You don't even know how.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my shit, that felt like my eye was gonna pop out of my socket.
Oh, maybe.
It was like, anyway. So yeah, you have to let me do yours, okay?
Okay.
I don't care if you think I can move or not. I'm the little type of cool. You know me? Like, they
There
say.
you're the little poopy. Is that what you said?
I'm the type of, oh, my eye. Let me just, oh shit.
I'll do it while you're shitting.
What?
I'll do your makeup while you're shitting.
Holy shit! Mallory. This is funny.
Dude, I'm not done.
You think this is funny?
I'm fixing it if you would give me some time. I have the utensils. Now come here. No, seriously, come here. I can fix it.
No, you can't. You did this on purpose.
No, I didn't.
What the fuck is up with my eyes?
I'm not done yet.
You're trying to make me look like a retard.
No, I'm not. I'm
Yeah.
making it. No, you're gonna be really, really pretty. Now come here.
I'm already really pretty.
Do I have to explain? I mean, it's just already hard enough. Come here.
I don't want you baby one.
No, I'm gonna.
Please.
Dude,
Mallory.
I can fix that shit. Now come here.
You're calling me shit.
No, seriously, I can fix that. Now come here. I was trying to, but you didn't give me enough time. I need like another hour to fix that shit.
I'm gonna take a shower now.
No, look, come here.
No.
No, I really want to. No, look, I can really fix it.
No, you're gonna look like shit.
No, I'm not. No, come here.
Come on.
No,
Go.
Dude, for real, I can fix it.
Alright, can you give me a second though? To a little personal time? A little bit of cats to time?
Sit out.